Hey you guys, I hope everybody's doing well. I have a long week this upcoming week, so I decided I'll do some meal prep. So let's do some meal preps. So y'all, I'm gonna do some I got chicken wings and my chicken thighs. Now tell me you guys, how do you guys clean your chicken? I have some vinegar. I've been letting them soak in vinegar and water. So now I'm just cleaning the wings off. I've already cleaned them a little bit, and you know, sometimes when you get chicken, it still has the feathers on them. So I make sure I got the feathers, the remaining feathers off, and I let them soak, like I said, in vinegar water. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to bake me some wings. Well, I didn't do a good job. There's a big old feather. But yeah, there's another feather. I use vinegar on it because I feel like vinegar helps kill, you know, any salmonella or whatever that may be remaining on the chicken. And of course, this is hot water. That's my chicken thighs. I'm gonna fix some chicken thighs. But for right now, I'm prepping my wings. We're just gonna bake some wings. There's another feather. And you guys, I watch a lot of people that cook, you know, and do meal preps. But I want to talk about the cooking part of it. I'll get to those in a minute, because we're going to do the chicken wings right now. Okay, now that my chicken wings are clean, I want to put them in the pan because I'm going to bake them. So you guys, when you bake your chicken wings, there's another piece of feather. Do you just put them in there like this, or do you fold it? Make sure you got the chicken wing feather. Do you, like I said, do you put it in there like that, or do you fold it over? I'm gonna fold these over. Just like so. I'm gonna arrange them once I finish. All I'm doing is just, wow, I didn't do a good job on this. Well, when you finish, you guys, you want to make sure you saw I just dropped that piece of chicken on the counter. I'll make sure I clean my countertops, spray them down with Clorox. I do that with my sinks as well, my sink. So anytime I handle raw meat, or especially raw chicken, see it's still bleeding, wow, I will wash that off. Clean my countertops with Clorox. Let's see how many I can get in there. Should be able to get 12. How many is in there? So that's 3, 6, 9, 12. That's a little small. Let's do this one. So we're going to do 12. So now we want to season it. I just got a little garlic powder. onion powder. And you guys, you season your food how you like it. A little pepper. And a little Mrs. Dash table blend. And this is the original. Now you guys, I want to tell you about this. This is the chicken, salt-free Mrs. Dash. I love it. I love it on my chicken. It just gives it a good flavor. And so what I do, I go and I flip it over and I do the exact same thing. I want to season both sides. Okay, you don't want to participate. Cooperate. You just flip your chicken over. I probably should have seasoned it. You know, you think about stuff after the fact, so it wouldn't unfold. It's like I'm doing double work. But anyway, it's okay. Want to wash my hands again. And do the exact same thing. I'm gonna get both sides. Y'all, this is seasoning. I was about to say seasoning salt. Garlic powder, not salt. It's garlic powder. I'm gonna skip the salt on that side this time because I got enough salt, I do believe. And there you have it. We're gonna put this in the oven and let it bake. Oh, I forgot here's the season that I like, the chicken seasoning. And I'm just gonna put this in the oven, cover this, and put aluminum foil on this and let this bake. Y'all, I'm sitting here editing out this video and just realized I did not show you guys the finished product. So my apologies for that. You all know what baked chicken looks like. Sorry. Have a good one.